Hey, what's up, guys? We're about to go to a car meet. About to pull up to our homie's house to meet up with the rest of the gang. Oh damn, my GPS is bugging. I need to change out my tent, bro. This thing's way too dark. Oh, I got a truck out here. It's been a while since I've been to a meet, guys. I mean, I'm pretty excited, looking forward to it. Wonder what kind of cars are gonna be there. Saw there were some Lamborghinis at yesterday's meet, but I didn't go to that one. Like I said, I haven't really been keeping up with this stuff. It's kind of late today. It's 6:50. It's about to be 7. We're gonna go meet up with the homies right there at his house. Some of his buddies have nice cars as well. See you guys when we get there. Damn, the homies track, I'll go crazy. Got the Corvette in the front, the SRT Jeep right here, and the other Trackhawk in the middle.